Welcome to my channel. Verizon router blinking blue. 1. Understand the blinking blue light. It means the router is trying to connect to a device via WPS but is unsuccessful. 2. Wait for a few minutes. Sometimes, the router will automatically connect. Wait 2 to 3 minutes before troubleshooting. 3. WPS mode. If the light keeps blinking, press the WPS button again to stop the process. 4. Check device connection. Ensure the device you're trying to connect, phone/laptop, is also in WPS pairing mode. Five. Try manual Wi-Fi connection. Instead of using WPS, connect to the router using the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on the router label. 6. Restart the router. Unplug the router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in to reset the connection. 7. Check internet status. Use the My Verizon app or log into the router's web interface to check if the internet is active. 8. Move closer to router. If WPS fails, ensure the connecting device is within range of the router. 9. Reset the router. If the issue persists, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to restore factory settings. Thanks for watching.